The real star of the show is the tilt release technology. On standard printers, the build plate pulls straight up, creating a suction effect that can rip models off their supports. Here, the entire resin vat tilts to one side to peel the layer away. In my testing, this allowed me to use much thinner supports than usual, which meant less cleanup and better surface finish on delicate parts. It also makes the printer incredibly fast. I was hitting speeds of nearly 150 millimeters an hour without a single delamination failure. Then there's the AI camera and mechanical sensor. On my fourth print, I intentionally left a small piece of cured resin in the tank to see if the residue detection worked. The machine felt the resistance, stopped immediately, and saved me from a cracked $400 LCD screen. The AI camera is a bit of a mixed bag, though. It's great for checking your print progress from your phone via Wi-Fi, but the failure detection only triggers once the print is high enough for the camera to see it, usually after the first 4 or 5 centimeters. If your print fails at the base, the camera won't tell you until an hour later.